What's up, everyone? This is Evgen from a local Canadian company, Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg. Today I will show you how to enter service mode on a Bosch dishwasher. Now I will show you step by step how to do this. Let's go! There should be no water in the dishwasher and it should be turned off. The display and indicators are not lit. I press and hold two buttons, speed 60 and rinse. Continuing to hold, I press the on-off button and immediately release it. When the PO symbol appears on the display, I can release all the buttons. Entering the service menu is complete. By pressing the rinse button, I see what errors are recorded in the Bosch Silence Plus 44 dBA dishwasher memory. I find the E24 error code in the memory. This code indicates problems with the water drain. After reviewing the dishwasher memory, I begin to perform an automatic service test. To do this, I press the speed 60 button. The S00 symbols appear on the display. I start the service mode with the start button. During the service test, the display will show the stage begin performed with the symbol S01, S02, S03, etc. If a malfunction is detected during the automatic test, this information will be displayed on the display as the E error symbol and a two-digit number indicating what exactly is faulty. To exit the service test, simply press and hold the Start Reset button for 3 seconds. It's time to say goodbye. If you have questions about your Bosch dishwasher entering service mode, questions about error codes, or questions about any other appliances, leave comments and the Appliance Fix Lab team will definitely answer them. So, I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.